Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now we are going to see Akamani Software Engineering from BE BTech CSIT only. Work location Bangalore. And the Software Engineering from Akamani Technologies India Private Limited. Eligibility criteria we are seeing CSIT 2021 and 2022 batch. 7 CGPA. No black luck should be there. And what all the things they are providing? Salary will be 13 per annum, including a 10% variable. Work location Bangalore. Interview process with your video must. Hackathon test will be conducted. 2 to 3 video rounds lively they will conduct. Work from home job only. Interview availability. Candidate need to be available during for virtual discussion. We just want to apply here. And this all the software engineer we will be responsible for designing and development mission across India. Delivery high quality overall control. Collaborating developers and lead architecture development. IT and test upgrade. To be successful role computer or equivalent good analytical and problem-solving skill, excellent interpersonal and relationship management skill, having excellent persistent and written communication. What all they provided by company: your health insurance, fitness, family, time at work, your timing and other endurance. This all the things they are providing. Pattern with the best. So this all the things they are providing. Apply now and technical round, everything they are mentioning here. 13 LPA they are providing. Apply in the freshersworld.com. If you have any doubt while applying, just comment me in the comment section. It will be helpful for you to clear your doubt. Just to forward your friends from 2021 and 2022 batch. They can easily apply and get a job. It will be helpful for me in future and may get more update after subscribe to my channel. So if you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching this channel.